In this video, we listed the 5 best beard trimmers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer for Men. The SHPAVVER GK 1800 All-in-One Grooming Kit is a versatile and powerful grooming solution designed for complete head-to-toe care. Equipped with multiple interchangeable trimmer heads and guide combs, it easily handles beard shaping, hair cutting, nose and ear trimming, and even sensitive areas with precision and comfort. Its upgraded detachable stainless steel blades deliver smooth, snag-free cutting while minimizing heat and skin irritation, supported by a powerful yet quiet motor with 2 speed modes for all hair types. The cordless design offers up to 90 minutes of use on just a 1.5-hour charge, with an LED display for battery status and a built-in safety lock for secure travel and storage. Featuring IPX6 waterproof protection for wet or dry use and easy cleaning, the SHPAVVER GK 1800 combines performance, safety, and convenience, making it an excellent grooming tool and a perfect gift for men on any special occasion. Number 2. Philips Norelco All-in-One 3000 Series. The Norelco 13-in-1 trimmer is a reliable and skin-friendly grooming tool designed for precise trimming of your beard, hair, face, nose, eyebrows, and sideburns. Featuring comfort blades with rounded tips, it delivers a smooth, irritation-free trim, making it ideal for sensitive skin. With 13 versatile attachments and 9 adjustable length settings ranging from 0.5mm to 16mm, you can easily achieve styles from clean stubble to a full, well-shaped beard. The self-sharpening, maintenance-free blades stay sharp without the need for oiling, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its ergonomic handle provides excellent grip and control, while the powerful battery offers up to 60 minutes of cordless use with a convenient battery indicator. Rinsable blades and combs make cleaning quick and hassle-free, making this trimmer a practical and efficient grooming solution for everyday use. Number 3. Ufree Beard Trimmer for Men. The Ufree Multifunctional Grooming Kit is a complete manscaping solution designed to handle everything from facial styling to full-body grooming with confidence and comfort. Equipped with 6 interchangeable trimmer heads and multiple guide combs, it allows precise trimming for the beard, mustache, nose, ears, chest, armpits, and even sensitive areas like the groin and pubic region. Its high-performance stainless steel blades feature a skin-friendly R-shaped design that reduces friction, prevents pulling, and delivers a safe, irritation-free trim. Built for both wet and dry use, the waterproof design makes shower shaving convenient and easy to clean. Powered by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, it provides up to 90 minutes of runtime on just a 1.5-hour charge, with an LED display to monitor battery status. The powerful yet quiet motor with 2 speed modes ensures smooth and efficient performance, making this grooming kit an excellent choice for home use or as a premium gift for men on any special occasion. Number 4. Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5. The Braun 8-in-1 Grooming Style Kit is a powerful and versatile all-purpose trimmer designed to handle beard, body, nose, shaving, and precision trimming with ease. Featuring a curated 8-in-1 setup, it delivers unlimited styling options through the precision wheel with 40 adjustable length settings in precise increments, allowing you to achieve everything from sharp detailing to full beard and hair grooming. The ultra-sharp blade ensures fast, efficient trimming across all areas, while the durable design includes long-lasting blades and a powerful NIMH battery that provides up to 80 minutes of cordless runtime. Fully waterproof for convenient wet or dry use, this trimmer is built to last and ready to go wherever you need it, with 2 included pouches to keep the trimmer and attachments neatly organized and travel-ready. Number 5. Panasonic Cordless Beard Trimmer for Men. The Panasonic GB42 Beard and Mustache Trimmer delivers precise, personalized grooming backed by renowned Japanese craftsmanship. Designed with an adjustable dial offering 19 length settings, It allows you to easily sculpt and maintain your desired beard or mustache style, while the comb attachment lifts flattened hairs for clean, even cutting. Its ultra-sharp 45-degree hypoallergenic blades provide fast, efficient trimming with minimal skin irritation. The sleek, rubberized ergonomic grip ensures maximum comfort and control, making detailed trimming effortless. Fully waterproof for wet or dry use. This cordless trimmer can be used in or out of the shower and is 100% washable for easy cleaning. With quick charging that delivers up to 50 minutes of runtime and a compact, travel-friendly design, the Panasonic GB42 is a reliable and high-performance grooming tool built for everyday precision.